Hello! So, in a vague effort to increase the amount of output I give you, because you're all dying for more of it, you know you are, admit it, I'm going to try, apart from when I'm on holiday, to give you content 6 times a week. Not Sundays. Sundays I'm either dead from babysitting or at my parents', plus everyone needs a day off. And also when I'm on holiday. Lost my piece of string. Now, you're asking, I can hear you now, you're asking, Vicky, what are you doing with a piece of string in a room that is neither your living room nor your craft room? And I will tell you, I'm in my kitchen. And you're pointing this way so that you can't see the fact that I've still got the washing up to do because it is morning and I don't do the pots until evening. That doesn't answer the string, however. What I'm doing with my pieces of string is an experiment. I am dyeing white cotton yarns, and I'm hoping to achieve a half and half effect. And to that end, I have got 2 skeins of Stylecraft Cotton Soft white cotton, 100 grams each. Says it's DK, more like sport weight. I've tied them to make a little snowman because I wondered what happened if you dyed it like this. And then I've got the white cotton that came with the, what's it, you know, the thing. What do you call it? Crochet Society box. So I've divided those in half, initially to give me measurements, but also to keep it together. Now, what I'm doing first, and I'm going to detach you from my little tripod, excuse my hand, is I've got 2 bowls, 1 Tiger, 1 Tyler, 1 Merlin, this is one you didn't meet the other day, and a boiled kettle. And I'm going to, the bowls are full of salt, which I'm told is a fantastic fixative for cotton yarn. So, I had a wooden spoon once, I remember it well. It was wooden and spoon-like. And it's vanished. Okay, well, I'll just get a normal spoon. Right, so I'm going to give that a stir. And I'm going to put this one in to soak. I'm also going to take my kitchen grabbers . Come on. There we go. That's bubbling. Come on, you know you want to fill up with water. Did you want to soak all the way through? So, I'm initially going to try and get this soaked all the way through. You don't need to see this because it's basically me just going to be sitting here with that and also reboiling the kettle. Probably several times. But I will come back at phase 2. Hi. Don't know what I did there. But we're back in my kitchen. Which means I need to put the kettle on again. All the way over there. need to put the kettle on for two reasons. One, I need another brew, which I'm going to prepare while the kettle's boiling. And two, it's been an hour since I put my yarn into soak, so I reckon it should be good and mordant by now. I have already got myself covered in rubbish, prepared, except I've not added the hot water, which is the other reason for the kettle, the first lot of dye. It claims to be emerald green. I've already put salt in. Yes, I've already put salt in. Now, before, oh, that water's still warm. Very warm. Who knew? Ow, 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 hot. Ow, hot. Ow, hot. I'm getting the idea here. It's a bit warm. Very warm. I don't really want to put it back in or on the side or on a cap. So I'm just going to hold it because it's the squeezing it that I'm making it quite painful. So I'm going to put some gloves on. Yeah. Now, because I've been caught by this before, I've got loads of pairs of disposable gloves. Because, well, I didn't raise no from it. Plus, I've learnt from this before, trying to dye things in multiple different colours, and ended up with two different coloured hands. Neither of which was hand coloured. On the upside, at least we know that it has got wet all the way through. And that probably, I didn't need to reboil an entire kettle anyway. So at least the kettle will do for me cuppa. There we go. So this could be interesting. Ooh, actually, because that's boiling hot, what I might do is instead of doing the green out in that one, I might try and find the purple, because that's already got a goodly amount of salt in it. So I'm going to do the purple. And I'll just dump the entire load in, give it a stir around. Looks like I've made a massive bowl of blackcurrant jelly, which is mildly entertaining of a concept. So what I'm thinking is just gonna prop these up on the edge, and I'll show you in a minute, and leave them for a bit, because I want them to soak both up and through. And we can just see what happens. Right. Okay, I'm going to get you off and flip you round and we'll see what happens. Hold on. Right, so that's that. Like I say, it looks like I've made a massive bowl of blackcurrant jelly. I've dunked in half and half. And I'm just going to sit there and I'm just going to lift this one up, see what's happening. See, right at the bottom, yeah. It might be that we end up with a white stripe in the middle. It might be that it doesn't soak through to the centre of the ball. Who knows? But I'm going back upstairs and I'll see you in another hour. Bye. Hello again. Kettle is boiling again. I need another brew again. And also, I'm going to turn you around. It's been an hour. I'm going to pause you while I put some gloves on. Hi. Right, so that's got some action going on. Oh, and rather interestingly, not a lot seems to have come out the other end. Like there's not a lot of purple dribbling. Okay, so that's one moved out of the way. Let's try and rescue the other one. Yeah, so this is going to have a fair old bit of like white splodginess in the middle of it, I want to say. I don't know how this is going to take after I've rinsed it. I think we'll do that first. Now that one I did make a bit of a muck tubness on the back. Do you know what though? All in all, it's not leaking much colour. I don't know how much has made it through on this one, and I don't know how much is going to survive after we've rinsed it. But we shall see. So I'm going to stop you and gauge a minute. Right, I've also done the pots now. So I'm going to see if I can prop you up somehow so we can rinse. Hopefully. Let's see. There we go. Right, I'm going to rinse this on cold. Interestingly, it doesn't look like it's gone through very... I've lost the tie off string. Oh Lord, and I'm soaking you guys through as well, I'm sorry. Hang on. Oh Lord, wrong way. Right, let's not do that again, shall we? Hi, sorry, I'm going to turn you off while I rinse. So, looking at how the purple has come out, do excuse me while there we go. Doesn't look like it's gone all the way through. To be honest, I don't know whether I was expecting that or not. So we're going to have some beautiful purple splotches occasionally, and then bits of varying purple, bits of no purple. So that's what the balled up. Ones have done, the other ball's pretty much the same. And this one, the Mad Donut, same but on a bigger scale. Look, there's, you dig down a few layers, there's nothing. But I'm not disappointed, because the whole point of this was I wonder what happens if. So now I'm gonna plonk it in the green side. So that we'll have, just spin it around a bit. Right, I'm going to let that sit there for another hour and see what happens. Hello, so now the green's finished. I'm just going to switch you. There we go, and then I'll take this lot out for a rinse and then we'll review afterwards. Right, so bafflingly it looks like the green has taken much better. Now either I've been sat here for longer, because it's the exact same company, it looks like it's gone much deeper. I'm probably going to have to sit and, yeah, it's gone way deeper. It looks like it's taken much better as well. I'm definitely going to have to sit and reball all of these when they're dry. Yeah, it's gone deeper, taken better. Don't know why. I might have left it longer. Might have been because the water was boiling. Might have been because I gave it a bit of a swoosh around. I don't know. But I'm quite impressed with that, and I'll make something with that either when I'm on holiday, I'll start something maybe, or when I'm back from holiday. But in the meantime, I have been Vicky. I have been dying to experiment, and I did. I will see you in the next one, and in the meantime look after yourself, because if you don't look after yourself you can't look after anyone else, and in the immortal words of Bill and Ted, be excellent to one another.